Welcome back. Viper Trading here. All communications from Viper Trading Systems are for educational purposes only. Futures trading does involve risk. There is a risk of loss. And of course, you trade at your own sole discretion. Alright, I want to show a crude oil short trade here. We got into from an upper level, and we've been kind of tracking it on down here, leaving some wiggle room because we think the oil is going to head lower. Although it did hit a support level here at 85.19. Go into this short trending move here around 9 o'clock Pacific, just before 9 o'clock. See, we get this notion of a thrust. We broke down, we bounce. We get had a series of probe trades here. Probe trades are when the market is dropping and you get a retracement. Market breaks down, and then you get another retracement. Market bounces like this, and then you get another breakdown. Now we're going to tighten this stop a little bit on crude oil here because it's getting another probe trade right here. See, it's coming up to our red chunky stealthy line right here, and we think it's going to actually head lower and break this support level. Now if you look at a longer range chart, unfortunately we don't have internals for crude oil or the equities. Those are for the currencies. You look at a longer term chart just below this 85.19 level. You do have quite a bit of support sitting down here at 85.10, right down in here. And so I'll tell you actually what we're going to do is we're going to put a protected buy limit order down in here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to box this trade in a little bit. I'm going to actually box this trade in a little bit here. And if you've seen the other videos, what we're doing essentially is when we box a trade in fact, we might stop out. It might take our stop right as we're watching this right now. Missed it by just 2 ticks right there. Might take us out. And this is a stop limit order. So we're short, so you have a buy stop here and a buy limit down here just above this swing. We know that there's support down here at 85.15, 85.10. So if it comes down through this level, it will fill this trade and close it. If it bounces up through 41, which it actually might do in the video here, it will close this out. 3 more ticks. We'll take this trade out. Let me see if I can blow this up a little bit more. You can actually see this candle forming. Yeah, see the candle forming? Put 2 more ticks. 1 more tick, 2 more ticks. Going to bounce. It's bouncing right now. So what we might actually have here is this could actually be another probe setup, but you know what? We've rode this down as far as we think it's going to go. So we're not going to take another trade off of this. We're still in it. Now what we're looking for here, if this in fact is a legitimate probe to the downside, is the market should roll over and break that little trend line, and you should get what we call a resumption of selling in a downtrend, and it should break this line here and start heading south. That is, if it doesn't take us out. And if it does that, it will come down and fill us down here at 85.23. So one of these 2 orders, either way, at some point is going to get filled, and we'll be out of the trade. All right, okay, so here we had a crude oil short. Just wanted to show a little follow-on trade here. Hope you had a great morning. We traded crude in the morning, had a nice breakout long, and now we're in the short side. And we will see you at vipertradingsystems.com. See you there. Bye.